Today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This hair is from Allnice. Wig cap. Lashes. Melting band. This wig feels heavy. Here's what the knots look like, very small. The hairlines comes pre-plucked. Two combs in the front, one in the middle, one in the back. Adjustable straps, elastic band. You do get all this lace on this front too. Never had all this lace parting space. Very soft. Minimum shedding. Made to invisible 13x4 lace frontal. Long straight human hair. 100% Brazilian human hair made. 24 inches. The price is $119.99. Free shipping with US and Canada. Foundation, put it onto the lace and pat it in. Use hair clips so you can start cutting the lace off. Cut the ear tabs. Take your scissors and cut the lace off. Push your wig back so you can start laying it down. Use the spray. Blow dry it on warm so it can get tacky. Lay your lace down, push the hair going back. Do it in sections so it can be easier. Use the end of your comb to mash it into your skin. Take some hairspray, spray it on your hands, and mash it into the lace. Use your melting band for 15 to 20 minutes. Add makeup to the lace so you can get rid of that white cast and it will look very much natural. natural the hairline looks. It melted in very easy. Here's what it looks like without bleaching the knots. I did have to go and pluck it just a little bit more to my liking. No shedding. Super soft. Very happy that it's full frontals.